Ford Focus radio problems like Bluetooth drops, frozen touchscreens, and audio issues are common, but usually fixable. Most of these problems are software related and can be resolved with the right reset procedure. There are three main reset methods, each designed for different severity levels. Start with the gentlest approach and escalate only if needed. For most issues, start with a soft reset. This simple procedure resolves 85% of minor glitches and frozen screens. If a soft reset doesn't work, try a master reset. This returns the system to factory defaults, but will erase all your paired devices and personal settings, so back up what you need first. As a last resort, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery. This forces a complete system restart, but use caution as it may affect other vehicle systems like radio codes and clock settings. According to automotive electronics experts, 70% of Ford Focus radio issues are software related and can be successfully resolved using these reset procedures. Start with the soft reset and work your way up only if needed. When basic resets fail, model-specific solutions are often needed. Different Ford Focus generations require targeted approaches based on their sync system version and known issues. The 2019 Ford Focus ST experienced widespread Bluetooth disconnection issues after iOS 16 updates. This was resolved with Sync 3 software update version 3.4.21194, achieving a 92% success rate. The 2021 Focus Titanium had black screen issues in cold weather. The solution combined a master reset with ambient temperature recalibration to fix capacitive touchscreen errors. Preventive maintenance is crucial for avoiding these issues. A structured maintenance schedule can prevent 73% of radio-related problems before they occur. Monthly tasks include checking for system updates via Wi-Fi. Ford's over-the-air update capability has reduced manual reset needs by 40% in newer models. Quarterly maintenance involves clearing cache and temporary files. This prevents system slowdowns and improves overall performance. Biannual maintenance requires performing a master reset and reconfiguring all settings. This comprehensive refresh maintains optimal system performance. For specific issues, targeted procedures are most effective. Bluetooth problems require a systematic approach of device deletion, reset, and careful repairing. The Bluetooth reset procedure has 3 steps. First, navigate to Settings in Bluetooth, then delete all paired devices. Second, perform a soft reset. Finally, repair devices one at a time for optimal stability. For display issues, access Settings, then Display, and select Reset Display Settings. Follow the on-screen calibration prompts to restore proper touchscreen functionality. Ford's over-the-air update system represents the future of vehicle maintenance. These automatic updates reduce manual intervention and keep systems current with the latest improvements and security patches. OTA updates have reduced manual reset requirements by 40% and provide automatic security patches, performance improvements, and new features. Keeping your system updated is the most effective preventive measure for maintaining optimal radio performance.